Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 10, tenths and hundredths. Let's start. Today, we are going to measure some objects in centimeters and millimeters.
Whose tail is longer?
Good morning, Meenu. What are you doing?
Good morning, Buzz. I am reading a storybook.
A storybook? Meenu, will you tell me a story?
Let us ask Grandma. She is cutting vegetables. She will tell us a story. Grandma, will you please tell us a story?
A story? Okay. I will tell you the story of two little monkeys. There was a big tree in a forest. Many monkeys lived in that tree. There were two baby monkeys in that tree who were always fighting with each other. One day, they were fighting about the length of their tails. Each baby monkey said that its tail was the longest. They started fighting. Then their sister came. She kept both the tails side by side to see their lengths. It looked the same. She could not find out the exact length of the tails. So they started fighting again. The monkeys did not know what to do.
Oh, Grandma, they should just use a scale to measure the lengths of the tails. It will show the exact length.
How will a scale show the exact length?
I will tell you how, Buzz. Just look at my scale. Can you see what is written here? Can you tell me what this 1, 2, 3, 4 are?
I know this, Chinu. These are centimeters. So it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Your scale has up to 30 centimeters.
That's right, Buzz. But can you see these small thin lines between the centimeters?
Yes, I can see them. Between any 2 centimeters, there are these small thin lines.
Buzz, 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. You can see that yourself. Look at these thin small lines carefully. See, each centimeter has 10 equal parts. So, 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts.
And each part is 1/10 of a centimeter.
1/10 of a centimeter?
That's right, Buzz. There are 10 parts and each part forms 1 part of the 10 parts. So, it is 1/10 of a centimeter.
And 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter.
1 millimeter? 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter. Futta, do you also have millimeters?
Yes, Buzz. Look at my markings. These are millimeters. It is written as mm. So, when you have to measure the length of anything, you can measure it exactly.
Let us use Chino's scale to measure some things. Let us measure this pencil first. It is 4 centimeters and 7 millimeters long.
Oh, now I know that it is exact. Before I would have thought that it was 5 centimeters. Now I know that it is 4 centimeters and 7 millimeters long.
That's right, Buzz. It means it is 4 centimeters and 7/10 of a centimeter long.
Why is it 7/10 of a centimeter?
Buzz, it is 7 millimeters. I told you that a centimeter has 10 equal parts, and so each part is 1/10 of a centimeter. So, 7 millimeters is 7/10 of a centimeter.
Oh, so 7 millimeters is 7/10 of a centimeter. 3 millimeters is 3/10 of a centimeter. 5 millimeters is 5/10 of a centimeter. 1 millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter.
You are right, Buzz. We also say 1/10 of a centimeter as 0.1 centimeters. It is read as 0.1 centimeter.
Oh, 0.1 centimeter. This is 0, this is point, and this is 1. So, it is 0.1 centimeter.
That's right, Buzz. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. I will now tell you how to write this. Look, this pencil is 4 centimeters and 7 millimeters long. We can write it as 4 centimeters and 7 millimeters or 4.7 centimeters.
Oh, 4.7 centimeters, which means 4 centimeters and 7 millimeters. Meenu, this is very interesting. Can I measure something else? Can I measure this small stick?
Yes, Buzz. Measure it and give the exact length.
Okay, it is 6 centimeters and wait, I am counting the lines. 8 millimeters. So, it is 6 centimeters and 8 millimeters. Now, I will write it. Six 6.8 centimeters. So the length of the stick is 6.8 centimeters.
Let me measure this sleeve. It is 5 centimeters and 4 millimeters long. So, I will write it like this. 5.4 centimeters.
Let me get a bean from Grandma. We can measure its length. It is 11 centimeters and 5 millimeters long. So, it is 11.5 centimeters long. Before I measured it with the scale, I thought it would be 10 centimeters long. Now I know it is 11.5 centimeters long.
Let us play a game now. A guessing game. We will take a thing and let us all guess its length. Then we will measure the actual length with a scale. Then whoever had given the closest correct length will be the winner.
There will be a winner. That will be fun. But what will be the prize?
Let us ask Grandma. Grandma, we are going to play a guessing game. What can the prize be?
Let me think. I will give one toffee to the winner.
Okay, let us start now. Let us guess the length of the pencil box. First, I will tell 15 centimeters.
16.5 centimeters.
I don't know what to say. 14 centimeters.
14.5 centimeters. Let us measure the pencil box with a scale now. It is 16 centimeters. Meenu's guess is the closest, so she wins.
How? How is Meenu's guess closest?
I will tell you how, Buzz. The length of the pencil box is 16 centimeters. I said 15 centimeters. You said 14 centimeters. Futta said 14.5 centimeters. And Meenu said 16.5 centimeters. 16.5 is the closest to 16 centimeters. The next closest is 15 centimeters, which I said. So Meenu's guess is the closest.
Okay, Grandma. You can give a toffee to Meenu. Shall we play more like this? I will tell the thing. Let us guess the length of this small doll. I will tell you first. 8 centimeters.
I think it will be about 10 centimeters.
I think it will be about 9 centimeters.
My guess is 8.5 centimeters. Let me measure it now. It is 11 centimeters. The doll is 11 centimeters long. So I am the winner. I said 10 centimeters, which is the closest. Grandma, you have to give me a toffee also.
Oh, that's good, Chino. Here is your toffee. Now, why don't you all play a different game? I will name an object and its length. You have to draw it in your notebook. Then, let us measure everyone's drawing and see whose drawing is the closest to the length. Children, why don't you also take out your notebook and pencil and draw with Chinu, Minu, Buzz and Futta? Let us start now. A leaf which is 9 centimeters long.
Meenu, fast. Give me a pencil. This pencil's lead is broken.
Here, take this pencil, Buzz, and draw fast.
Have you all finished drawing? Now, why don't you take a scale and measure your drawing?
Let me measure our drawings, Grandma. Meenu's is 8.5 centimeters. Futta's leaf is 7.5 centimeters. Buzz's leaf is 11 centimeters. And mine is 8 centimeters. You asked us to draw a leaf with length of 9 centimeters. So Meenu's drawing is the closest to the given length.
Grandma, shall we try one more?
Okay, try this. A fish that is 5 centimeters long. Children, are you also drawing? That's good.
Now I will measure our drawings. Futta's is 5.5 centimeters, Chinu's is 6 centimeters, Buzz's is 3 centimeters, and mine is 6.5 centimeters. Grandma said a 5 centimeter long fish. So, Futta's is the closest to the given length. So, Futta wins this game. Grandma, this game is interesting. It's fun to guess the lengths of things.
You can also guess the width of objects. Look at this postcard. Can you guess its width?
11 centimeters.
I think it will be about 10 centimeters.
Width of the postcard? I think 9 centimeters.
I am also going to make a guess. 8 centimeters.
Let us measure it now. Oh, it is 10 centimeters. That is what Chinu said. So, you are correct, Chinu.
Chinu, can you see Buzz's question mark? He is wondering how it can be 10 centimeters when the tip of the postcard isn't 12 centimeters. He thinks you are wrong, don't you, Buzz?
Yes, Meenu.
I know. Buzz always thinks I'm wrong. I am not wrong, Buzz. My answer is correct. Grandma measured it slightly differently.
Don't look sad, Buzz. I will explain it to you. Whenever we have to measure anything, we keep its end on 0 to get the correct measure. But Grandma started measuring from 2 centimeters. So the width of this postcard is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10 centimeters. So, Chinu's answer is correct, Buzz.
You can find out the answer in another way also. It is much faster. If you don't start measuring a thing from 0, then you should first look at the answer number in the scale. it is 12 centimeters here. Okay. From this number, 12, subtract the number you started measuring with. Look carefully in the scale. It is 2 centimeters. So here, it is 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. 10 centimeters. So I am absolutely correct, Buzz, as always. Understood?
Okay, now one last thing. Why don't you draw a book with length of 20 centimeters and width of 10 centimeters?
Okay, let us start drawing. Friends, why don't you also draw with us?
We are done, Grandma. Let us measure our drawings now. Mine is 17 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. Chinu's is 19 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. Buzz's is 15 centimeters long and 7 centimeters wide. Meenu's is 20 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. So, Meenu's is the closest to what Grandma said.
Okay, children, I have to go to the market now to buy some things. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, Grandma, that will be lots of fun.
Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.